We brainstormed, designed, and tested a brand new series of cooking pots. Made out of chef-grade stainless steel, with our signature handles, suitable for all heat sources, and crowned with a lid like no other. It allows you to seal your pot airtight. This transforms your cooking pot into a storage container, allowing excellent conservation of your leftovers. This flat design allows easy stacking in your fridge. And to celebrate the joy of cooking even more, we've co-created the very first crowd cookware cooking game. This game invites you and your friends, family, colleagues for an amazing cooking experience. While playing an epic game full of culinary riddles, you learn about recipes across the globe, learn new cooking techniques, and enjoy new tastes. All to have a genuinely magical cooking experience together. And an amazing meal. Oh, and you can actually enjoy it the days after as well. Join us now on our new cooking adventure.